Stand up.
Come on, bro.
Stand up.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Uncovered. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Officers respond to a business after staff report concerns involving a man on the property. By the time we pick up the encounter, employees want him to leave, and officers are working to get him off the premises. The breakdown starts now.
You want to go to a hospital or something? No?
I'm not having a mental state for problem. It seems like y'all serious.
Oh. Listen, man, you don't work here. If you're not buying anything, you gotta go. The employees are the ones that told us they don't want you here.
Making sure employees are safe.
Oh.
At this point, officers are giving him a voluntary option to address whatever brought them there. Once he declines, their focus shifts to the business's request, getting him to leave the property willingly.
You gotta go or you're gonna be under arrest for trespassing. Not playing this game, dude.
Already gave you my name. You
You can't be here.
I told you my name is Benjamin Singleton,
I told you you can't be here.
General of CIA.
Listen, I'm not gonna play this game. You understand?
His responses aren't moving officers any closer to resolving this through conversation, and that's an early sign they may need to change their approach. For now, they're still giving him time to process the direction and make the choice to leave.
You can put your hands on me.
I'm not trying to do that. All you have to do is walk out the door and not be around me. They don't want you to be here. Why are you causing a bigger issue than it has to be?
Officers are still using time and conversation rather than immediately changing tactics, giving him every opportunity to resolve this without further intervention. But his behavior is beginning to limit how long that approach remains practical.
Y'all remember when I did this?
What?
What y'all trying to say? What?
I'm trying to tell you that if you don't leave, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. We do this the easy way, you walk out the door, you're not in problem.
I told you I'm verified.
The extended conversation shows officers are still prioritizing patience over enforcement, but that approach depends on some progress from him. If that progress doesn't come, they'll eventually have to decide whether continuing to negotiate is accomplishing anything.
Business.
And I told you while we're listening,
Do not adjourn.
put your hands on your back.
Come on, bro. You're under arrest. Right?
The extended conversation has reached a decision point. Officers no longer appear to believe more time is producing cooperation. Changing their approach now allows them to move from repeated persuasion toward resolving the situation directly.
I'm not resisting, so don't put my hands behind my back.
Yep.
I told you I'm on official CIA, DEA
You're
business.
under arrest for trespassing. Stand up.
Come on, bro.
Stand up.
See? Get on the ground.
Police brutality.
Get on the ground.
Once his body language suggests he may not cooperate with the handcuffing, officers have to tighten their positioning and limit his movement. At this stage, controlling his hands becomes the immediate priority.
We're going to get on the ground, dude.
Get on the ground.
24.
His resistance changes the officer's priority. They now need enough control to safely complete the handcuffing. Taking the struggle to the ground can reduce his ability to pull away and give officers more control over his movement.
You get the other one? Two together, bud. Yep. You made it this way. All you had to do was walk out. Hold on. Got it? Here, let me get this up.
The incident ended with officers gaining control and taking the man into custody. He was charged with disorderly conduct, trespassing, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice. Despite his earlier claims, officers did not charge him with impersonating an officer. What started as an effort to get him to leave the property became more difficult as cooperation broke down, eventually forcing officers to change their approach. What are your thoughts on how officers handled the amount of time they gave him before making the arrest? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.